Books and balls, cars and bears, put them back in boxes and chairs. In the basket, in the bin, clean and tidy, let's begin.
Wipe the table nice and neat, put the books back in their seats. Crayons rest inside the tray, clean up time the happy way.
Sweep the floor slow and fast, dust goes away, clean at last. Room looks shiny, room looks new, I feel proud and so do you.
Wash my hands, scrub, 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 soap and water, rub, rub, rub. Dry them well, fresh and clean, cleanest hands you've ever seen.
Everything is clean and right, happy room, what a sight.
Clean up done, hip, hip, hooray!